What we are about to see is the complete end-to-end journey of our NOAA Accruals agent. From data ingestion all the way through to accrual calculation, schedule preparation, and journal entry generation. Ready to upload directly into your ERP. The agent works with two types of data. The first is a purchase order-based accruals. Open POs are pulled from your procurement or ERP system, and the agent estimates what needs to be accrued for goods or services not yet invoiced. The second is vendor-based accruals, where the agent looks at historical accounts payable patterns at the vendor level to estimate what's owed, whether or not a PO exists. Along with the PO data, the agent also pulls in AP postings from the last 6 months and the vendor master from your ERP. You can use one or both data sources depending on your requirements. Before the agent runs, it's configured once with a set of rules and thresholds. The PO value that triggers an information request, the logic for estimating accruals when no response is received, and how GL codes map to expense categories. This is a one-time setup. After that, the agent runs every month-end automatically with no configuration needed. Once the data is in, the agent begins its estimation process. For every PO that crosses the configured threshold, it automatically generates what we call an information request, a scheduled email sent directly to the PO owner. No login required and no training needed. The PO owner can respond in one of the three ways: a specific dollar amount for goods or services received, a percentage of work completed, or a supporting document to corroborate the accrual. The entire response loop is managed within the platform. No email threads, no spreadsheets, and no manual follow-ups required. Once the response comes in, the agent reads and analyzes all of that information. It then does two things. It calculates the recommended accrual amount, and it surfaces a chain of thought showing exactly which signals it used, what data it referenced, and how confident it is in its estimate. The finance team can then choose between the rule-based estimate and the NOAA agent's estimate and can edit the amount if they have a different evidence or a different view. In parallel, for vendors without a PO or where no response is coming, the agent runs its own calculation using historical AP patterns. Each estimate goes through a lightweight approval workflow. The finance team can approve the accrual as is, edit the amount, or reject the amount, which triggers a resubmission request back to the PO owner. Every action and every decision is tracked, giving you a clean and complete audit trail. Once all accruals are approved, they move to the staging step. Here the team maps each line to the right GL codes, both the debit and credit side, so the agent knows exactly what accounting entries to generate. Supporting documentation can be attached directly against any line item. Once the mapping is confirmed, the agent consolidates everything into a structured accrual schedule organized by vendor, by subsidiary, by expense category. This mapping can also be preset at configuration. The final step is where the most time is saved. Based on everything approved and mapped, the agent automatically generates all the journal entries, every debit, every credit formatted exactly as your ERP expects. Download the file, upload it directly, and your accruals are posted. No manual journal entry preparation, no reformatting, and no risk of transcription errors. That's the full journey. 6 steps in total, 5 of which run every month end. The configuration step is a one-time activity. Everything else, data in, estimates generated, response collected, accruals approved, entries posted, happens automatically every close cycle. Open data in, approved journal entries out every month.